So welcome back to the SQL practice. So there is a link of SQL bot where you can free of cost practice the SQL, and they have some exercise with the data table, and they have asked some question, and we have run this. So first of all, how we practice? So find the movie with a row ID of 6. So how we can find it? We just run. So what logic we use? We just select find the movie, so movie, and after that we have passed the condition. And how we pass the condition in any SQL? So we use a where id equal to 6. So you see the answer give the incredibles. Then the next questions ask me find the movie release in the years between the 20 and 2010. So what we have to do, we find the all movies and we find the where, and find in the where we find the conditions where year is greater than 2000 and year is less than 2010. So you see, you give the all the movies name, but we include 2000, so less than equal to. So here we find that between the logic, so you need not include the upper part, so we increase 2011, so it give a range between the 2000 and 2010. The next question is find the movie not released in the years of 2000 2010. So we have where not, we pass the in square bracket, so not in between these years. So now next question is find the first 5 pixeler movie or their release year. 5 bucks and release year, so it means, so we use select title and the year from the movies, and we set the limit 5, so it's only the 5 movies. So I hope you understand the exercise, and you can also do practicing with these forms as well as. So now we meet again in next video. So the next will be the lesson 3, the queries with the constraint, and we practice, for example, equal to, not equal to, greater than, equal to. Like means when we have used any string functions, and not like means compare with the string function. Percent, when we use percent with, when we see match the sequence as a wildcard, and in means any value, string value or any another value is present on the database or any column or not, we use. So for this we have some questions according to this. So you see there are 4 questions. First question is find all the Toy Story movies. The second question is find all the movies directed by the John Lathrop, and the third one is find all the movies and the director not directed by the John Lester, and the fourth one is find all the movies the name start with the wall. So now let's start practicing. So first one is select all the movies where like So we pass the string like toy story, and so here we see the toy story title like toy story 1 2 3. So we pass the percent is a wildcard. After that have any variables to use. Find all the movies directed by the John Lester. So copy the name of John Lester in where director like. So we not need percent because they have not a series, is a single. Find all the movies not. So what we have to do, we write the note before the director, and we all these things pass in the simple square round bracket. Find all the wall stacked. So what we have to do, wall is the movie name. So what we have to do, we just same title like wall, question marks not needed. So we have wall E and wall C. So I hope you understand the practicing, and we can meet the next video. So thank you.